Hello, and welcome back to English Daily Lessons. It's so nice to see you again.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here with us today.
I'm Charlie.
And I'm Sarah. On this channel, we help you practice simple, natural, everyday English.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning with us, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us so much.
Yes, thank you. So, today, we're talking about something very common and very useful.
We're talking about jobs. How to describe your job, what you do every day, and how to talk about work in natural English.
But first, Charlie, how are you today?
I'm doing pretty well, but I'm a little tired.
Tired? Oh no, why?
I woke up super early, before the sun. My cat wanted breakfast, and he was very loud.
Oh, your cat is so funny. What's his name again?
Buster, the big orange troublemaker.
I remember Buster. He's adorable. So, I hope you're not too tired for today's lesson.
Don't worry, I'm ready. Let's do this. In part 2, we'll talk about what Charlie and I do for work and how you can describe your own job using simple English.
So, don't stop here. You're just getting warmed up. Join us in part 2. And don't forget, like and subscribe before you go. We appreciate you so much.
All right, let's really get into today's topic. So, Sarah, what do you do? What's your job?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to young children. And what about you, Charlie? What is your job?
I'm a graphic designer. I design logos, posters, and sometimes websites.
A graphic designer. That sounds interesting. So, what exactly does a graphic designer do?
Well, I draw a lot. I create pictures and designs for companies. For example, when a business wants a logo, I make different designs on the computer.
A logo. Let me explain. A logo is a picture or symbol for a company, right? Like the apple for Apple?
Exactly. Not that logo, but things like that. I choose colors, shapes, fonts, and try to make everything look clean and nice.
That sounds fun. Do you enjoy your job?
Oh yes, I love it. It's creative and I can work at my own pace. But sometimes it can be a little difficult too.
Difficult? Why?
Sometimes a client says, I don't like this color. Can you change it? So I change it. And then they say, actually, I liked the first color better.
Oh no, that sounds frustrating. But you're very patient, Charlie.
I try to be. It's part of the job. So, Sarah, what is your job like?
As I said, I'm a teacher. I work with children between 6 and 10 years old.
Wow, that must be lively. Is it loud?
Sometimes very loud. But the children are so sweet. They love singing songs, learning words, and playing simple English games.
Do you sing with them?
Oh, yes. Every morning. We have a good morning song, and sometimes we sing songs about the weather.
That sounds adorable. Do you enjoy being a teacher?
I love it. It's hard work, but it's very rewarding.
Rewarding. That means it makes you feel good, right?
Exactly. When a child learns a new word or says a full sentence for the first time, it makes me so happy.
That is a great feeling. When a client loves my design, I feel the same way.
In the next part, we'll talk about where we work, our daily routines, and what a typical workday looks like.
If you want to talk about your job in English, these phrases will really help you. Join us in part 3. So, Sarah, where do you work? Do you work in a big school?
No, I work in a small language school near my house. Very convenient. I can walk there in about 10 minutes.
That's perfect. I actually work from home.
Every day?
Yep, every single day. My office is basically my apartment.
That's amazing. Do you like working from home?
Most of the time, yes. It's comfortable, and sometimes I even work in my pajamas.
You work in pajamas. That's amazing.
Yeah, but it's not all perfect. Sometimes I feel a little lonely. I don't see my coworkers very often.
Do you have many coworkers?
I have 5, but we only meet on the computer. We have video calls every Monday morning.
Meetings every Monday. Are they long?
Sometimes short, sometimes very long. It depends on who's talking. Ben, one of my coworkers, he talks a lot. But he's funny, so I don't mind.
Sounds like a fun team. Let me tell you about my workday. I start at 8:30. First, the children come in. We say good morning, and we sing our hello song
Every day?
every day. It's part of our routine. Then we learn new vocabulary, like food, animals, or colors. After that, we play a small game to practice the new words.
That sounds like a really fun class. Do the children get a break?
Yes, a short break. They run around, eat a snack, and then we read a story together. Finally, we do a little writing and say goodbye.
Wow, that is a busy day.
It's busy, but it goes by fast. Kids bring a lot of energy.
My day is a bit different. I start at 9. First, I check my emails and drink my first coffee of the day. Then, I look at my list of tasks.
What kind of tasks?
Drawing ideas, talking to clients on the phone, fixing old designs. Every day is different.
That sounds interesting. You're not bored.
Never bored. But sometimes my eyes get tired from staring at the computer.
Oh, that's not great. What do you do when your eyes get tired?
I stand up, stretch, and look out the window for a minute. Sometimes I talk to Buster.
What do you say to him?
I ask, Buster, do you like this color? And he responds with, meow.
I think meow means yes.
I think it means, feed me again.
In the next part, we'll talk about the best and the hardest parts of our jobs, and even what we'd like to do if we had a different career.
If you ever want to describe your job in English, these next phrases will help a lot. So, Sarah, what's the best part of your job?
Oh, that's easy. The children. They're so curious and full of energy. When they learn a new word and smile at me, I feel so proud.
Ah, that's sweet. What's the most difficult part?
Mm. When the children feel sad, sometimes they cry, and it breaks my heart a little. I want to help every single one of them.
That is difficult. For me, the best part of my job is creating something from nothing. When I finish a logo, I feel like I built something with my hands.
That must feel amazing, like putting a puzzle together.
Exactly. But the hardest part is when I get a huge project. It takes a long, long time, and sometimes I have to work many hours.
Do you ever work on the weekend?
No, the weekend is rest time. Saturday, I clean my apartment. Sunday, I relax, or I try to.
I sometimes work on the weekend. Not too much, maybe 2 or 3 hours preparing lessons for the next week.
You're a very dedicated teacher, Shara.
Thank you, Charlie. And you're a very talented designer.
Appreciate that. Maybe one day you can help me test color combinations.
Maybe, but I'm not very artistic.
Don't worry, I can teach you. We'll start with drawing a smiling coffee cup.
Speaking of that, tell me more about your current project.
Right now, I'm designing a logo for a new coffee shop called The Happy Bean.
I love that name. What does the logo look like?
It's a coffee cup with a big smile on it. The client wants the color brown, but brown is a bit boring.
Maybe brown and orange. Orange is warm and happy, like the sun.
Ooh, that's actually a great idea. I'll try that combination.
See? Maybe I am artistic.
Maybe you are.
Now, should we explain some useful vocabulary for our viewers?
Yes, let's do a mini vocabulary review. A tiny English lesson inside our conversation.
First word, client. A client is someone who pays you for your work or service.
Right. The coffee shop I'm designing for is my client.
Next word, rewarding. If something is rewarding, it makes you feel happy and proud inside.
Like teaching a child a new word or finishing a design.
Another word, coworker. A coworker is a person you work with.
Like Ben, the guy who talks too much in meetings.
Next word, convenient, which means easy, simple, and not a problem.
Walking 10 minutes to work is convenient. Coffee delivery is very convenient.
Another one is skills. Skills are things you can do well, things you learned. Teaching is a skill. Designing is a skill.
Drawing, cooking, even speaking English, all skills.
Another important word, routine. A routine is something you do the same way every day or week.
Like your classroom routine, song, words, game, story.
Exactly. Last word, project. A project is a piece of work with a beginning and an end.
A logo is a project. Planning a holiday can be a project too.
In the final part, we'll review the whole lesson, ask you our question of the day, and help you practice real English.
So don't go anywhere. Part 5 is coming up. Say Part 5 to continue.
So, Charlie, we talked a lot about our jobs today.
We really did. I feel like our viewers now know my coworker Ben, your students, and of course, my hungry cat Buster.
They're all very important characters in your work life. But let's do a quick summary for everyone watching.
Yes, today we learned how to talk about our jobs in English. We started with the most common question, what do you do? Or what is your job?
Then we talked about our answers. I'm a teacher. I'm a graphic designer.
We talked about where we work. You work at a small language school, and I work from home.
We also talked about coworkers, bosses, and our daily routine at work.
We then shared the best parts and the most difficult parts of our jobs.
The best parts are rewarding. The difficult parts can be tiring, but that's normal for every job.
We also learned 8 useful vocabulary words: client, rewarding, coworker, convenient, skills, routine, project, and responsibility.
Yes, and we explained each one slowly so you can understand and remember them. Now it's your turn. Today's question is, what is your job? Or what is your dream job?
Yes, please write your answer in the comments below. It's fantastic practice for your English.
You can write something simple like, I am a student. Or, my dream job is to be a chef.
Or anything you like. We read almost every comment, and we love learning about you.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We really enjoy learning with you.
Remember, learning a language is a long journey. Some days will feel easy, some days will feel difficult, and that's completely normal.
The most important thing is to keep practicing a little each day. One video, one new word, one small step.
You're doing a great job. We're proud of you.
And if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to English Daily Lessons so you don't miss our next lesson.
And share this channel with a friend who is also learning English. Learning together is more fun.
Before you go, you can watch another lesson right here on the screen. YouTube will choose another helpful video for you.
Click it, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next class. Bye for
Bye.
now.